If your camera is not already supplied in the presets, I can actually show you how to create your own camera preset. It's pretty easy. So you want to go to vptoolkit.com/downloads and download the sensor size preset. And so you want to go to the sensor size preset doc. You'll want to make a copy of that doc. And then once you've made a copy of it and filled it out with your camera's information, which is your camera model, your format, your sensor size, your sensor width, your sensor height, the aspect ratio of that configuration. As you can see right now in the one that I'm in, there just is no aspect ratios because that doesn't currently get used for anything. And then you have the brand, and then if it has an anamorphic squeeze. So if it does not have an anamorphic squeeze, you should set a default of 1. It will totally screw things up if you don't have a 1 in there. That's something that we're still working on this. So then you're going to want to go to File, Download CSV, and then back in your Unreal Engine project, you're going to want to go to your plugins, Vp Toolkit Content, Cameras, and then you're going to want to go to User, right click. We're going to go to Miscellaneous, and then we're going to go to Data Table. And then when it gives you a pick row structure, just look for sensor size struct. And then you can just name this whatever your camera is. So I'm going to be importing the RE data table. And then you can open it up. You can hit re-import and it will prompt you to show it where your CSV file is. And if you go to downloads, and then we'll get that CSV file open. It may have, it seems like I'm missing a column. That's probably fine. And then you can see all of your data table here. Hit save, and then now when you select a model, all of those models should show up. So if you don't want to go through all of that and you want to just make your own and write in Unreal Engine, that also is not a problem. You can just create a data table, use the same struct, and then we'll just call this custom 1, and then you'll just want to go in here and you'll have to manually add these components. Another thing you can do is you can make a copy of the pre-existing one. So you could just take the RE and then duplicate it, and then go in here and adjust all of the settings accordingly. You can also, remove them or customize this however you want with your own settings. As long as it is in the cameras folder, this system will pick it up as a data table.